Welcome to Jawai, a mysterious and magnificent landscape in Rajasthan where leopards roam freely among ancient granite hills, and luxury meets wilderness in the most unexpected ways. Located in the Pali district, Jawai is not your usual desert destination. It's raw, wild, elegant, and absolutely unforgettable. Begin your journey with the heart of the region, Leopard Safari in Jawai, Bandh. This is one of the few places in India where leopards live in harmony with humans. With no official boundary or forest cover, these elusive cats make their homes in natural rock caves. An early morning or late evening jeep safari offers a great chance to spot leopards basking on boulders or slinking through the wilderness. But Jawai is not just about the big cats. Wolves, hyenas, nilgai, and crocodiles also share this rocky terrain. Next, make your way to the Jawai Dam. It's the largest dam in western Rajasthan and a haven for migratory birds. During winter, this area turns into a birdwatcher's paradise with flamingos, bar-headed geese, and pelicans flying in from distant lands. A peaceful boat ride or simply relaxing by the banks at sunrise gives you the perfect blend of serenity and spectacle. For those craving cultural richness, visit the nearby Rabari villages. The Rabari tribe, with their unique traditions and attire, have lived in harmony with the leopards for generations. Walk through the villages, sip tea with the locals, and see how pastoral life continues with grace and simplicity. You can even witness traditional livestock grazing or try your hand at milking cattle, a wholesome rural experience. Luxury tented camps in Jawai are in a league of their own. These aren't your basic camping setups. Think canvas tents with king-size beds, wooden decks overlooking the hills, and candle-lit dinners under the stars. Many of these camps also offer spa services, curated wildlife experiences, and private butlers. It's an indulgent way to experience the wild. Adventure lovers can enjoy cycling trails through the rugged countryside, or opt for guided granite hill hikes for panoramic views of the landscape. These hills are perfect for early morning climbs with incredible views of the sunrise casting golden light over Jawai. Don't miss the Jawai jungle walks, a slower, more immersive way to experience the terrain, wildlife, and unique geology of the region. These walks often reveal smaller wonders, foxes, exotic insects, medicinal plants, and ancient tribal stories etched into the rocks. For an unconventional spiritual detour, visit the Devgiri temple, nestled right inside a granite cave. It's simple, sacred, and adds a mystical touch to the rugged surroundings. Watching local shepherds offer prayers here creates a surreal contrast between tradition and nature. Shopping in Jawai is minimal but meaningful. Locally made woolen shawls, tribal jewelry, and camel leather products are available in nearby markets. These are often handcrafted by local artisans and make for memorable souvenirs. Weather and clothing tips: October to March is the best time to visit. Days are pleasantly warm and nights can get cold. April to June is hot and dry, but still possible if you enjoy dry heat and less tourist traffic. July to September brings brief showers and a surprising touch of green to the otherwise rocky terrain. Pack light cotton clothes for daytime and warm layers for mornings and evenings, especially if you're staying in tented camps. A scarf or hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen are essential. If you're going on safaris or hikes, wear neutral-colored clothing, sturdy shoes, and always carry a refillable water bottle. Whether you're seeking wildlife encounters, cultural immersion, scenic beauty, or peaceful luxury, Jawai offers an experience that few other destinations in India can match. It's a perfect blend of wilderness and elegance, mystery and calm. If this kind of hidden, raw beauty excites you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support keeps us exploring more unexplored wonders across India and beyond. From leopard trails under moonlight to chai with shepherds at dawn, from silent granite caves to roaring riverbanks, Jawai is a journey into the soul of Rajasthan that very few travelers ever take. So, are you ready to trade the forts and palaces for something a little wilder?